Trading and investing might seem scary when you have no idea what you are doing. And during such uncertain times, you're probably wondering, is this really a good time to start trading and investing? I have personally been through 3 different market shifts, and each time I have come out stronger and frankly richer. So yes, right now is the perfect time. My name is Marcus de Maria, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Investment Mastery. Now, my team and I, we have traveled throughout the world and trained over 15,000 people across 25 countries on how to create financial freedom for themselves and their families through trading and investing. Now, in such uncertain times, my team and I, we want to help as many people as we can get through this complicated period by showing you how in just 20 minutes a day, you can profit despite the market movements and actually because of the market movements. So how are we going to do this? Well, every week on our YouTube channel, my head trader Dennis and I will be showing you how you can invest your money safely and securely with our low risk and highly profitable strategies. In what we call our trades of the week, you'll discover the best stocks and cryptos to buy, sell, or hold, and most importantly, you will understand why a crisis is a trader's best friend and how you can benefit from it today. Listen, if there's one thing that you can learn from this pandemic, it's get your money right. So, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we show you what is happening in the market right now and what you should be looking out for. You see what we are doing every single week. Give yourself the opportunity to benefit from the current uncertainty and secure you and your family's money from any future crisis by simply learning our proven and profitable low risk and highly profitable strategy, how with just 20 minutes a day you can profit irrespective of education or background, and most importantly, you'll discover new stocks and crypto opportunities every single week, and obviously much more. So, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your wealth and create the life that you've always dreamed of once and for all, no matter your experience or previous results.